class. Today is 1st December 2020. In today's class, we will continue with the exercise of solid figures. In your textbook, they given exercise to do. First one, see the textbook here. Observe these solid figures. Write the number of faces, edges, and vertices. Okay, you have they given figures here one by one. You have to observe the figure and write whatever they asked in the box. Understand? First one, they given cube. This is cube. How many flat faces are there? Cube has 6 flat faces. 6. See here. Understand now? You have already studied in last class. Understand? Next, curved surfaces. There is no curved surfaces in cube. Okay. Next, how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. And how many vertices are there? 8 vertices are there. Next, this is cuboid. It also has 6 flat faces and there is no curved surfaces, and edges also 12 and vertices also 8. Understand? Next, this is sphere. Yes or no? In last class, I have shown the example for sphere. Understand? This is a sphere. It has no flat faces. No flat faces and sphere has one curved surface. One curved surface, and there is no edges in sphere and there is no vertices in sphere. Only it has one curved surface. Only a curved surface sphere has. Understand? Next one, cylinder. Yes or no? This is the cylinder. It has 2 flat surfaces. This one and this one. 2 flat faces or circular surfaces we called. 2 and curved surfaces. 1 curved surface, and there is no edges and there is no vertices. And the last one is cone. Understand? Last one is cone. Only one flat surface is there. Only one flat surface and one curved surface, and there is no edges and vertex. This is the one vertex. This is one vertex. Only one vertex. Understand, dear students? Okay, see here, cube has 6 flat faces, there is no curved faces and 12 edges, 8 vertices. And also cuboid. Cuboid also has 6 flat faces, there is no curved surfaces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Sphere has no flat faces, only one curved surface it has, and there is no edges in sphere and also there is no vertices in sphere. And the cylinder has 2 flat surfaces or flat circular surfaces we called, or flat faces we called, only 2, and one curved surface it has, and there is no edges in cylinder and there is no vertices in the cylinder. And the next one and the last one is cone. It has one flat surface or one circular surface, flat circular surface, and one curved surface, and there is no edges in cone and it has only one vertex. Okay? And here they given, fill in the given blank space. Okay, identify the shapes with the clues given, name the figures. Okay, they given clues here, you have to write the figure name in the given blank space. I have only one curved surface. Only one curved surface means sphere. Write sphere here. Okay, write sphere. I have one vertex. I have only one vertex. Only one vertex means, see here, only one vertex means cone. Next, I have 6 square faces. 6 square faces. Okay, cuboid also has 6 faces, but they have told here 6 square faces means cube. Okay, next I have two flat circular faces and one curved surface. I am two flat circular faces. Here, two means cylinder. And last one, I have one flat circular face and one curved surface. I am one flat circular face and one curved surface. It is also a cone. I have one flat circular face, okay, and one curved surface. Okay, dear students, this is the completion of your 9th lesson. In next class, we will start the new lesson, that is lesson number 10. Thank you.